Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking to increase the flavor of your food that you make for your family or friends? One way to do that is with a cast iron skillet. This here by YYMIYU is the perfect cast iron skillet for not only my family, but for hosting other people. It is large. It is a 20 inches wide, 2.36 inches deep, and leaves me with a beautiful crust on my pizzas, gives me nice seared meats. You can do stir fries, you can use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One thing that I noticed about this cast iron is that it was pre-seasoned when it arrived, which meant less hassle for me and I can get to cooking. And my steaks taste so much better. My chicken tastes so much better by getting that sear. I think that this is really nice that it comes pre-seasoned. However, to maintain that, you should oil it in between your uses. And if you want to display it at a party, it's definitely beautiful and easy to move with these handles. I can lightly clean it with hot water. I can dry it right away, making sure it doesn't rust in between uses. If you want to use it with a gas, electric, you could use it on your barbecue or even put it in the oven. It is so multi-purpose and convenient for any cook or culinary artist, and I just adore it.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.